Hey guys, my name's Dick, and I have 10 cool shop tricks I want to teach you guys. So stick around, maybe you'll learn something. Let's go. So this is one of my favorite tricks. Well, this example here, it's a surge protector. And you like to have those mounted on your walls, right? So you got these two mounting holes here, so you're supposed to, I guess, use a measuring tape to measure them, and then transfer that mark on your wall and put two screws in. And they're always off. They're always off. You could measure it, but I always lose my tape measures. So what I've learned to do here, get a piece of paper, put it over that, get a pencil or something, and just draw on it, and it's going to reveal those holes. Just like that. See that? Now, this is my template. I can carry this around, and I can put screws right through that paper, and it's going to be perfect every time. Yeah. All right, next trick. This is for trimming out a room or something. Let's pretend this is the inside of the closet. And here's the other wall. So here's the inside of your closet, right? Inside corner, inside corner. How big is that piece of trim going to be? You do one of those things, right, where you get your tape in there and it's bent over. Looks like it's 19.5. Or if you're clever, you know the back of your tape measure. We'll say this one says 3 and 9/32. Oh, that's fucking fun. So from here to here, allegedly, it's 3 and 9/30. That's too much math. What I do, I'll measure over 10 inches on one side, mark 10 inches, measure from the other side. Okay, I have 9 and 9/16 plus that 10 inches. That's 19 9/16. That's easy math. Okay, this one's another tape measure trick. So let's say you're really bad at math, or it's a long, hot day and you can't do math anymore. And this is just an arbitrary piece of wood. I want to find the center of this. Again, you could try and do the math on your own, or just do this. I'm just going to pick a point. Mark right here, 7.5. Measure this side, 7.5. Okay, they're not lined up yet. Well, what's that distance right there? Oh, it is 1 inch and 5/8. Let's do it again here. Getting closer. I'll do 8 1/4. I'll do 8 1/4. Oh, look at that. Center is right between those two marks there. And I don't even know what that measurement is. All right, this is for you guys that use string lines a lot for doing layout, or maybe you just like playing with it because you're weird. And you want to cut it, right? Maybe you got too many knots on the end. You need to get rid of it. Oh, I forgot my knife, whatever. You don't need a knife to cut this. Wrap it around your foot a couple times so it won't move. Bring it up. Thumb down. Twist up. Now you got a bite on that. Hold tight. One of those. Cut. That simple. For this next one, you're not going to use super glue. Get that out of here. Okay. So let's say you're making a little box. You got a little project going on. And let's assume you glued that up, right? And you're probably going to get clamps on here, and it's going to shift on you, and it's not going to be perfect. That's what you do. Some of you are already onto this. You get some masking tape. Masking tape on one of your pieces here. Get it on there nice and good. Okay, the other one, butt that right up to the other piece here, nice and tight. Slam it down, make sure that tape sets. Press it on. Now you can glue it up, whatever you gotta do. Fold it over. Boom. And if you had 4 sides here, you could do the whole thing. Glue it up. You're good to go. Let's say you want to find the angle of something. I don't know what angle that is, and it's not level. Damn it. Take one of these guys. I don't know what they're called. Get around there. Get both sides tight. Tighten that up. But now what? I don't know what that is. I could trace it out on a piece of wood, but I want to know the angle. So you go buy an angle finder. You're gonna lay this flat, zero this out, put it on here. That angle is 38.4. Now I can actually take this to my saw blade and get it exactly at 38.4. And it's really handy for doing furniture or something. I needed to do that on a rocking chair I built a while ago because there was some crazy angles, and yeah, I wasn't gonna guess on that. So get yourself one of these and one of these thingamajiggers. Okay, so you're finishing up a wood project. You got a couple nail holes or whatever you gotta fix up. Yeah, you could make up some wood filler out of sawdust and glue and apply it and let it dry and sand it again. That takes too long and it sucks. So what I've started doing, you put glue on it just like you would think you would. Now throw some sawdust on it, like that. And then I sand it just like that. And the sander is going to push in the sawdust. It's going to remove material on here, and then it's going to take that fine dust and fill that in. And it's going to be just as good as if you would have done it your own way. And if you guys are getting anything out of these tips, leave a comment below. And if you like what you're seeing, please like and subscribe. Thanks. Or if you guys have any other tips and tricks, anything you want to add to this, let me know. Share the knowledge. You guys didn't believe me, did you? That is quick and easy. Just like your mother. So for this one, you have an outside corner here, and you got little gaps. You don't like those. That's not professional. That's ugly. Take a screwdriver. It needs to be a rounded one, right? Rounded shank here. And you're gonna just kind of work that over like this, and you're gonna close that up. Now, if I hadn't filled that with super glue, most of it would have closed up. But what wasn't full super glue is damn near invisible now. It's almost like one piece of wood. Now this is my absolute favorite trick. Let's say you got a hammer and nail in, right? I don't have a hammer, I forgot it. I mean, you could use the old meat hammer, but that sucks. So, get your nail started, and anything can be a hammer, even a drill. Boom. You're welcome. Hey guys, just occurred to me, that's only 9. I'm sorry, it's getting late and I'm gonna go to bed. Later. Just like your mom. Just like your mother.